each other, so that's the good part about the cash match, you know. So anyway, over to you, bros.
VK3 KVK, VK3 NBI. Yeah, thanks, Richard. Alright, what have I got? Terry. Okay, for your information, my signal report from me to you is an S2. A little bit hard to follow, but yeah, I can get you. Bradl's at 6, good solid 6. Richard's an 8. Can't rate myself. Mike, you're a good 7, and Damien, you're about a 5. And that's on my meter on my radio, so whether that makes sense or not, it's all relative, I think. Now, Bradles, I'm interested to hear a little bit about your problems with your 4B, and what have you done to it, and what do you think the problem is, and what's not working and what isn't working, or is working, because